Hello, my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you guys are watching us from. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you all for your support. Thank you. God bless you all. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be making chicken, hard chicken, and jollof rice. This is party jollof rice, as you can see. Yes, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video, enjoy the process. This is full carton of hard chicken. Yes, guys, right now I've already washed the chicken, clean it with salt, clean it very well, slice it, put it in my clean pot. I'm going to add Maggi cube right now. This is Maggi cubes. I'm going to be adding salt. Yes, you can add any ingredients that you like using. This is what I love using. Right now I'm going to add all-purpose seasoning. Yes, guys, I think I add like 3 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. Yes, you can add more because this is full bag of chicken. Full bag. I'm going to be cooking full bag. So after that, I'm going to add chicken seasoning. I will add like 2-3 spoons. Then after that, I will add curry, hot curry powder. The same thing, I will add like 2-3 spoons because, guys, this thing is many. It's full pot. So you have to add a lot of ingredients. If not, you will not get the taste. After the curry powder that I'm going to add right now, I'm going to be adding blended pepper. Yes, that blended pepper, I blend pepper, that is fresh pepper. I blended onions, I blended garlic, I blended ginger. So I blend everything together. Then I will add it. After I add it, this bay leaf, I add a lot of bay leaf. So after that, this is the blended pepper. I add everything, blend everything, I add it. Then I will mix everything together without adding water. As you can see, no water right now. So I will mix everything together, cover it and cook after mixing it together. Yes, guys, the water is going to come out on its own. Yes, after cooking, you sieve it, then you fry it, deep fry it if you have deep fryer. If you don't have deep fryer, then you can use air fryer. Yes, guys, there's the story after this. Listen and be blessed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. God bless you all. Bye.
A Nigerian UK-based carer has deported his wife back to Nigeria. The man named now Mr. John. Mr. John actually tell his wife, say, abeg, make him help am go Nigeria, go represent am, say they won't buy property for Nigeria, for Lagos. As he be say, God don't bless them, small money dey their hand for year. Say, abeg, you know say na me dey work, I no fit leave this job. If I travel, it go affect us. Go, buy a ticket, go Nigeria, make him help am stand, sign the house paper, then she go come back, make them become landlord for Nigeria. So it happen. John, they work for UK as a carer for about 3 years now. They hustle, they do well. And you know now, our people, I don't talk this thing several times, we dey go house, go marry. Get why? You get why? Now so John, come go Nigeria, meet this beautiful girl, date her for a while. Now so he can't go marry the girl. As he married the girl finish, John come back here. Based on saying they under COS, he can't put the woman under process. Make she can't join her, which is a good thing. The marriage now talk of the town. That were a kind of marriage when we say that they shut down full community for Igbo land. They shut down the full community for that marriage. It was elaborate, eloquent, big. You need to see cars. John rent all the big jeep. Like they say carry madam enter the ground. She shake their village. Tell their people say yes, I don't marry Odogu. Odogu you cannot marry. Now when Madam Visa come out, now so she lands for Heathrow Airport. John enter taxi, go. Now so he pick the lady, pick him, then enter exit. Now he come the book taxi. Now the woman friend ask him, say, where your car now? He said, no, I not drive, come on. You know, see London a very busy place. Now besides, I don't need car because the transportation system is perfect. My type of job, I just jump, enter bus, enter train. I don't reach work, I don't come back. No need for car. Now so they go. When they reach house, John actually did for shared apartment. As at that time, shared apartment. Normally, 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom flats. They go get the parlor together with the neighbors when they the different rooms. They go use kitchen together. So these houses usually comes furnished. Refrigerator go there, gas cooker go there, TV go there, the parlor, internet go there, sofa go there, beds go there, the room. So you just need to cohabit with your fellow people when they stay in the other rooms. So when she reached there, say, Madam say, John, where your house? He said, I shared apartment as he did, but as you don't come, so God bless us, we go move into like 2-bedroom flat or 1-bedroom flat. The woman begin complain. We don't begin calling people. Sometimes John go just they go notice say wife. They talk to people from home. Say my husband not be waiting I expect. Go they speak all those tick village language. I not be waiting I expect. Now different thing. Now one room we they stay here. They grumble. When the grumble done too much, the woman not going to respect John again. No. John get this is sharp guy from Benin. Sharp friend when they are two they work for the same place. It's always they tell them things based on it, they confide on this friend. Now if friend come tell and say you don't marry, you don't enter, but many things there when you need to do. There are so many ways to kill a rat. From talk to talk, they are to come sum up something. Now one day John come tell madam say small money in my hand. I be the think say me we go rent house, but I look and say if we buy duplex for Lekki for Nigeria, we use and they do Airbnb. Will they make more money? Returns go they come. Normally now, madam look and say, this my husband still get sense, sha. It makes sense. You can't say, but at they work. What go happen be say, I they talk to the agent. I don't talk to my lawyer for Nigeria. They say one of us need to come sign. But if I go now, we not go fit make money for the month too. You fit travel, go Nigeria, go let me sign the document. Madam say fine. Now so now I buy ticket for her. Now she land for Lagos. As she land for Lagos, 1 month don't reach. John, sweetheart, how far? I never see your lawyer. I say no worry that they do the documents. The document they take some more time. 2 months, 3 months, or more. Now madam call and say, John, you don't abandon me for Nigeria. Now like this you be John. She dey call her. Not even know say that first week when she leave the country, so when she travel from this UK go Nigeria, John don't go remove her from the COS. He don't go UK via HMRC tell them say make them remove this woman from under his sponsorship. They don't remove her, she not even know. She did there, they shout, they call all John friends. They talk, but John don't hint those when they close to her and say, see what I do. Mona no panic in case she call. She go call those on they play along. John don't put them for biggie base. They never know what they go reply the woman. That kind of situation they bad. You go just they confused. Now so the woman they Lagos so. Now so she dey beg because she don't dey see say wahala all day. She not even get money on her own to take buy tickets. Whereas she dey lash John every day. So na care work you dey do. When I say you even get better house for year, even car if you never even get. John remember when they tell him say, now the care work I take come marry you. Now this shit when I dey clean, now take come marry you. That big marriage, that wedding when I give you, when make you day like Lolo or for Dogo UK. So now the same work you can't reach here, you can't change that for me. So all those things now pain John. The thing pain now where before I can't trick her go. Say because she won't be landlady, she foolishly fall for that trick. Secondly, John cancel her visa, she no fit come back again. And as I did now, I sure say that marriage don't scatter, because before John fit do this step A and B, enter Lagos, go buy house, cancel a visa, I'm not sure say they interested again. Madam now they beg go, they call John. Now when John like it, they pick call, they tell say, Madam, still calm down. Lawyer say they prepare the paper. Now the paper they prepare for 5 months now. 5 months now, she there at Papa house. They see they prepare paper. And John not they talk to her like before again. That emotional, sweet talking, love lifestyle don't die. She don't notice her. Now she don't they cry. She don't call church when she they attend for UK here. Everybody don't they talk to John. John they tell everybody say she go sign house paper. We they buy house for Lekki. If she sign the paper finish, she go come join me. The system has been rigged behind the room. Nobody know. Now let John with his Edo friend Osapolo, and they have to know what they have.